that guy, Mom. Take a video of that guy. Video of that.
What guy?
Hurry, video of that.
Oh, wow.
Video of that.
Don't move. Don't leave him.
Dude, that's so cool.
The guy, the lady is taking picture too.
Damn it, lady. Oh my god.
Oh man. Wait, he's gonna do something else here.
Yeah, look at this.
Well, no te vayas tan lejos, Giselle.
Right now, he's just on his legs there.
This is going on YouTube. Giselle, no lo pierdas. You can do some in, man.
Oh my god.
No.
That's good.
What else is this guy gonna do?
Well, Giselle ya se lo dejó.